It's gone?
Yeah, it's gone.
No! My suspicions were correct. And we're gonna strip down an engine. I've never done it before in my life. Good morning everybody, it's actually the second video. I'm in the exact same location where I ended the first video because I said there might be a serious problem with the Mini. Today we're actually going to go and see if that problem is even there and if it is serious as I think. So the Mini is here. We're actually going to go to ADS Autos. They have no idea I'm turning up today, so thank you Adam and Adam if you watch this video, love you. Hopefully they can help me, but we're going to go and see if there is an issue. I will insert a little bit of a video now that I got last night on my phone. Guys, I'm filming this on my phone. I've just come out to do a bit of a routine check after the car's cooled down, and I've lost about 1 litre of coolant on the way home. So I've topped it up. I can't really see where it's leaking from anywhere, so I've topped it up and I'm just letting it bleed. But when you come around the back, oh no, that looks like coolant in the exhaust, yeah, so maybe a head gasket. Oh no guys, not good, not good. When we picked it up in London, we got about an hour and a half of driving and it was still totally fine. Hour and 45, it's fine. As soon as I was coming to my estate, the temperature went up and then down. It just kept doing that and I was like, huh. And I pulled it up, turned the car off, and the fan was going insane, like even after like the engine was off. I was like, huh, that's a bit worrying. So I left it, let it cool down, went outside. We lost 1 litre of coolant. I couldn't see any like noticeable leaks anywhere, and I also seen quite a bit of water coming out of the exhaust. Now that could just be condensation because it was cold when I started it up, but it was quite a lot, so I'm thinking we might have a blown head gasket. But let's take it to these guys and hopefully they've got an easy test or they've got a bit more knowledge than I have. So let's drive it around, come on. Right, here we are at ADS Autos in Basildon. Let's see if I can have a word with one of them. Adam, let's see. Right, here she is. Someone's pulling here. They've actually got a head tester, so it's a little thing that a little bit of liquid. I'm guessing this is what it means anyway. A little bit of liquid, and you basically run it, and if there's exhaust gases in the coolant, then it changes the colour of the liquid. If there isn't, then the liquid stays the same. But I need to get this off. But I'm actually intrigued to see if it's lost any. But it is quite hot, so I don't really want to. Oh no, it's all right. Oh, no, I haven't lost any water since on the drive here. So like this is the thing, like it's not actually that bad. Like I haven't lost any water on the way here. It's just when I was on that really long drive. It could just be something silly, like it wasn't bled properly or something. I don't really know. But it's just strange that it's not overheating, and it's only happened for like 10 minutes. But I did lose 1 litre, and like 1 litre would be a lot if it just needed bleeding. But as I say, I've been driving it for about half an hour this morning and it's actually lost nothing. So, don't know, we're going to get the head tester. But then again, if it is, we're going to be changing a head gasket, which would be quite fun for us to do. Right, take your bids. What do you think it is? Head gasket? It's not lost any water this morning at all.
Judging by how dirty that is, I probably would say it is.
It is the head?
Yeah, probably.
Shit. Okay.
Do you want to just start up?
Yeah. So that's going to turn yellow.
Yeah, greeny yellow. It might take it a while.
Because I watched one of these and it turned straight away pretty much.
Yeah, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It just depends how, if it's like the early stages of it being gone or if
right.
It's like pretty...
Yeah. It's gone?
Yeah, it's gone.
No!
See, that was a definite blue before.
Yeah.
No, that's like
yeah, the camera is not picking up very well. Yeah, it's definitely green.
That is definitely green.
That is definitely green.
Yeah.
Great.
Unfortunately, you've got dad.
Okay, everybody. So my suspicions were correct. The head gasket is gone. Thank you, Shah, who sold me the car. You were a lovely guy. But what we're gonna do? What are you gonna do, Lee? You don't know how to do anything. I know I don't, but we're gonna fucking try. We're gonna strip down the engine, and we're going to do a top end rebuild. We're going to fix the head gasket, and I'd say you may as well do the timing chain when you're there. So I need to order a head gasket, a timing chain kit, well, like a head kit, because I need all the inlet gaskets and shit. And I also need to get head bolts, and we're probably going to do it in the next week or so. They've said they didn't give me a space in their garage. So huge thank you to ADS Autos. And we're gonna strip down an engine. I've never done it before in my life. It's one of those things that I've always wanted to do, but it's like kind of not, because that means you have to buy a shit car and waste your money. Luckily we do YouTube, otherwise I'd be fucking fuming if I didn't do YouTube. Let us go, thank you. Thank you, let's get out of the way. I've got a Mini with a blown head gasket. It's a shame that I do actually really like this car. The way it drives is actually really, really, really nice. Prepare for the content. Many contents. And at the end of the day, if we end up blowing up the engine, then we just put a new engine in there. If something even worse goes wrong, we just break it. The people will just always break these apart, so people want the parts like all the time, so we just break it apart and we almost make our money back. But at the end of the day, we're going to be learning. That's what's most important. We paid £1,000, mate. Was that just a fucking Clio RS with a learner's thing on it? Right, so just say I'm the laptop taparoo, and we found a Mini Cooper S Supercharged timing chain kit and head gasket set and head bolts for 150 squidders. So right now we're at £1,150. We're all already more than we wanted to spend, but never mind.